Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, it's been one of those crazy days. I hit 2,000 with subs, and that's great. Thank you guys so much. But I want to give away one of my t-shirts. That's right, a t-shirt. It's going to be one of those crazy days. I'm going to put the t-shirts in all three colors. You get to choose whichever one you would like if you win. So go back to my goat videos. I have two up and share them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, with your neighbors, whoever you want to share it with. Share it. Come back and let's get the views up on my goat videos. And I will give away a t-shirt. I promise you. One t-shirt to somebody because I went over 2,000. Never thought I'd make it here. And this is great. I want to thank all of you for all you've done. And share my goat videos, win a Crazy Days t-shirt. It's going to be one of those crazy days. It already has been, you see? Right there. Guess what? I've been canning carrots. We picked all our carrots, and there's a video going to be on Deep South Homestead on canning carrots. Thank you guys. Share my videos and come back and win a shirt. Come back and tell me where you shared it, and I will draw on Wednesday. So see you on Wednesday.